In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn job preferences. This is a great way to tailor your LinkedIn experience, ensuring you're alerted to roles that match your skills, interests, and career goals. Let's dive in. First up, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account or continue with your existing LinkedIn account credentials. Occasionally, LinkedIn might prompt you with a CAPTCHA as an additional security measure to verify your identity. This is a straightforward step to keep your account secure, so simply follow the instructions provided. Once you've successfully signed in, find the jobs icon on the LinkedIn navigation bar. This section is designed specifically to help you discover new job opportunities, so click on it to explore further. After clicking on jobs, you'll be taken to a new page where you can see various job listings and more. What you want to look for next is the Preferences option. This is where you can set up or adjust your job search preferences according to what you're looking for in your next role. Upon finding and clicking Preferences, your next click will be on Job Alerts. This option is crucial because it allows you to manage how you receive notifications about new job openings that match your set preferences. LinkedIn does a pretty good job of suggesting opportunities that align with your skills and previous job roles, but personalizing your alerts can greatly enhance this feature. Now you'll see an edit icon next to your job alerts. This icon signals that you can modify your current settings. Whether you're looking to broaden your search or narrow it down to very specific roles or companies, this is the place to do it. In the editing section, you'll find the option to turn your alert off or on. This could be particularly useful if you're momentarily not interested in receiving job notifications, say if you've just started a new role, or if you're taking a break from your job search. Lastly, after you've adjusted your settings to match your current job search preferences, don't forget to hit save. This ensures that all the changes you've made are kept and applied. So you'll start receiving job alerts based on your latest preferences. And there you go, that's all there is to updating your LinkedIn job preferences. This simple yet effective process not only makes your job search more aligned with your career aspirations, but also ensures you're not bombarded with irrelevant opportunities. Remember, it's a good idea to revisit and update your job preferences periodically, especially as your career goals evolve or when you're actively seeking new opportunities. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for job seekers, and optimizing your job alerts is a fantastic way to take full advantage of this platform. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you found these instructions helpful and you're now feeling more confident in managing your LinkedIn job preferences. Happy job hunting!